How can you become a healer in your own home and have natural solutions within arm's reach when things kind of pop up? Well, Malie is going to show you how to do just that, so stay tuned and don't go anywhere. I love being able to use essential oils in my food and water for all the many health benefits that it brings. What's even better is that when you get education and personalized support, you can do that even better. Make sure to judo chop the like button if you got some value out of today's video and leave a comment below on if you like soup or salad better.